Alright, winter mode. We're all ready. The only thing I need to do is put the chains that I have for it on the back. And this baby's ready to go. The plow turns 30 degrees left and right, and also locks in, straight 90 degrees left and right. These lights that I put here, these guys are aftermarket. I have them wired into a set of switches that I put, and of course they turn off with a key. And I have a set for the back. Took the mower deck off. That's just sitting right there. Bagger's off. I have weights to put on it. So just need to put those. I got two, like 42 pounds, I think. I got two 42 pounds that hang off the back. Like I said, got chains to put on it, and this baby's ready to go. Bring on the snow.